So today I'm going to show you some ways. I'm going to show you some ways that most people don't know. But here is something that you can actually learn, that if you have a no face channel, you should definitely keep in mind. What's good up guys, and today in this video I'm going to talking about many things, but before that, thank you for all that awesome comments. And here are two comments that I love the most, and I hope that you're getting inspiration from all that. And the best thing of all is that comments like that help me to get motivated much more, and to produce content like these so that I can help you much more, and I can understand that you are growing. And that's the best thing that I can actually be happy about. Now, talking about all that, here is something special that I've got today, so that you can easily learn about and you can make something really awesome. So today I'm going to show you some ways. I'm going to show you some ways that most people don't know. But here is something that you can actually learn, that if you have a no face channel, you should definitely keep in mind. So today we are going to be talking about how you should be having a no face channel in spite of having a personal channel or whatever YouTube channel you have. Or if you don't have any YouTube channel, why should you definitely have a no face channel or a niche specific channel? So what happens on YouTube is very simple. There are few categories of people. For example, there are basically four kind of people. Okay, now the first one are the newbies who come to YouTube, and the main reason for coming to YouTube is watching other big creators and coming to YouTube. Now, what I can literally say this myself, that I have been in all of the places, and I have been into all of the boxes that you can see right now. Talking about that, we can see this: the new people have a lot to offer. They have full energy because they have never got any YouTube channel of their own. But the main problem with this first one is they have to show their face the way I am showing right now. So do I need to show a face? No, I don't need to on my other channels. Now, talking about that, in this channel, it's a channel that is a personal one where I am showing my face, so that there has been some different reasons. And what is the reason? So that I can show much more people that how you can actually have a passion, and you can still chase your dreams, and you can make your dreams successful. You can fulfill all your dreams. Now, the next thing that is there, the next segment of people are the creators. Now, what is the creators are doing? Creators are the big ones, the medium sized ones, you can also say, who actually get money from AdSense, and that is from YouTube partner program. And they also serve some affiliate marketing. They also do affiliate marketing, or they also do the coaching, and they also coach. They also have their own programs and all. But the main issue is that they have to be always on camera. That is, if they are not gonna be on camera, their brand has no value. That is, they cannot operate without being into the business. That is, they cannot be working on the business. They cannot be working on the business. They have to be in the business, and then they are going to be able to create something. Now, talking about that, the next segment is the people who have niche specific channels. That is, they are working as a business. Okay, so they're working as a business, and they are having something that most people want. Now, what is the thing that people want but actually all of them are not having? What is it? Do you know? people who are using this strategy are the people who are having multiple channels. These people are having multiple channels, that is, they upload videos and they do it by themselves. That is, they have, let's assume, 2 to 3 channels, and they do all the voiceover, and then they do the video editing, and then they upload it onto YouTube. And these are the people who are running multiple channels, but they have to do all that in one go. That is, they have to do it all alone. Now, is it possible to do? Yes, they have an opportunity to scale, and that's why they are treating it as a business. Now, the second thing is that these people have an opportunity to go into the next segment, on which I say it's the next segment, which I say the fourth segment, it's ink or I, you can say. Okay, so what happens is that in this you hire a team. You hire a team of voiceover artist, video editor, and the people who are gonna do all that work for you. So you hire a team, a high performing team, and who are going to be monetizing, helping you to monetize and manage all the channels that you have on YouTube. And they are going to help you up in getting all the desired results that you have. What's happening is you can have a lot of time and you can work on other goals of yours, and you can make on you can actually make things work for you, and then you can be having a lot of time so that you can work on other projects that you are really passionate about. And the best thing is, then only you can grow. And whenever you grow, you can also hire people, and then you can follow and systemize and automate the whole process. And then you will be able to shift it from a simple business perspective to an incorporated perspective, according to the segment that I am telling you, because it's going to be helping you up from, let's assume that if you are a small from newbie and then you are a creator, then what's happening is very simple. You do not have the option to choose. If you don't want to show your face in the video, you don't have that option. You have to show your face on the video, and then you will be able to make things work for you. Now, this is how you can actually grow, and then you can grow very, very, very fast and very easily. Now, this is going to be really simple if you follow all these strategies. Now, what are the strategies? I'll talk to you about these strategies on next video, so that your business doesn't depend on you, but you're gonna get some income from that, and you can follow your passion. Now, let's assume you have something that is a niche based, and you want to do something that is not of your own interest. What to do? Stay tuned, so that I'm going to tell you on other videos that what should be your own strategy and what should be the things that you should actually do that is going to be changing